We're testing out the cell phone as a dash cam. Down here in Clearwater, Florida. We got some rain. Not bad though. It looks like it's really dark. That 1080p should come out real good. I wonder if they make a 4K phone. I'd like a Garmin 4K dash cam. I bet they're expensive. We're in that Eco Chevy Cruise. 6-speed manual. 50 miles a gallon. If you drive at 55 miles an hour. With the AC off. You turn that AC on, it'll lead up the 10 miles to the gallon, it'll lead up. It should come out pretty good. It looks dark on the screen. It's supposed to rain hard at 1 o'clock.